one of you guys wrote to me last night and said, do you do any square body 80s pickups? We have done, I think, a couple. Unfortunately, you're going to have to go back in my videos. I don't remember the names of them. I've been doing videos for like 5 years now, so you're going to have to do the searching. But we do have an 80s one in now. What it is, it's a 1980s truck. It started out as a frame and all that. And the customer, the cab was rotten, so he picked up an 86 cab. So we are working on that, so I'll show you that. It's been in some of the background shots here. I have mentioned it. Mike has been on this one. He's welded new cab corners in, and then Bruce has come along, done the bodywork, the rough in. He put new rockers in, and he just today is installing this one piece of floor pan. So this cab's an 86. We're going to be going back. The customer wants to go this gray color throughout the whole truck, inside and out. No chrome, chrome deleted, doesn't want any of that kind of stuff on it. This is actually, besides the rockers and the cab corners, this was a very, very solid cab. All blasted underneath. We made sure it got blasted underneath. You can see Bruce has roughed in the bodywork across the back there. Typical of these trucks being dented up there. Firewall's all blasted. This is a frame off, but it's not like a show truck build. The gentleman just was like, you know what? I can spend 60 to 100 grand on a brand new truck that's going to be worth 30 grand in around 2 years from now, or I can spend, you know, X amount of dollars in this truck, way less, I will say, and have a better truck that's only going to go up in value. So that's what he's doing. But we're not taking stuff like the heater unit. I know we're not taking the AC or the heater off. You know, we're going to pull these lines off here, but we're not getting overly carried away with it. So there you go. I can't remember who it is that wrote in, but you did ask. I'll show you the frame here. Let's get outside, show you the frame. It has been in background videos before. Where'd the chassis go? Someone steal it? It was sitting right here. That'll be somewhere around this yard. Here we go, right here. So it's got a brand new engine in it, bit of a cam. He's changed out the diffs. I can't remember what he said the gearing was in it, but it's all been changed out. Took the frame in to Fraser Valley Blasting out here in Chilliwack. They did a beautiful job blasting it, and then they actually shot it with the black paint. This is not powder coat. They put the black on it. You know, he's got some fancy ass tires and wheels on there. So just a quick little video. I don't know exactly what you were looking for. Maybe you were looking for rust repair, how to do rust repair on these trucks. I'm not sure. It don't matter whether it's an 80s or a 70s. These Chevy pickups are all the same when it comes to replacing cab corners and stuff. They're all basically the same. And then of course, you know, we got the other C10. It's just this thing's sitting on air right now, so we got the 72. It's got the custom made frame. You've seen that in many videos also. So there we go with that one. That's actually going to be rolling back in the shop now. We're going to start working on that a bit more now. Chris was out here the other day, started mounting the heater under there. Guy's just running a nice little vintage air heater. Vintage air is a way to go if you want a heater. They're really nice. They have nice compact heaters. Keep that in mind, guys. Dan's got a big block in here, 454. Nothing crazy. I know it's got the blower on it, but it ain't crazy. This thing's probably maybe 600 horse or something like that. I know you're probably like, what do you mean, not, you know, 600 horse? That ain't crazy, but it ain't nowadays. I mean, God, look at these cars on the street. What do they got? Like 800-900 horse? But still, this will be a, this will definitely be a fun and cool ride when it's done. So, there you go. Didn't forget you. Showed you the 80s cab. Don't know what else to tell you. Go back on my other videos if you're looking for stuff, and you might find some cabs in there, and I'll be showing rust repair. Okay, remember guys, Ricks_Old Time Garage on Instagram, and also follow us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram because I'm putting 1 to 2 minute videos up during the day, stuff you're not seeing here on YouTube. Okay, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. Big thumbs up. New t-shirts and decals are on the way. Watch for them.